Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you write documents, lesson plans, articles, scripts or reports in Google Docs using Claude in 2026, you can turn docs into a smart writing, editing and research assistant. It writes faster, improve grammar and clarity, summarize long documents, generate ideas and outlines, automate document workflows. In this guide I will show you step by step how to use Claude with Google Docs in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, choose your integration method. So there are three main ways to use Claude with Google Docs. First one, manual copy plus AI assistant. 2, automation tools. And 3, direct API integration. So let's stick to the most popular one, which is the automation tools. So you can connect docs with Claude using tools like Zapier, Make, workflow automation platforms. It's semi-automatic workflows, no heavy coding, works well for repetitive tasks. Okay, so now connects Google Docs to automation platform. So inside your automation tool, connect your Google account, grant Google Docs permission, choose documents or folder access. Okay. So this allows the tool to read or update documents. Okay, so connects Claude API. So you also need Claude API key. So add Claude as an automation action. Okay, so authorize connection. So Claude processes documents content, now creates AI documents workflows. So common workflows include writing assistant, summarization tool, editing and rewriting, and report generator. Okay, so this is it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.